Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fundrise for real estate investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Fundrise for real estate investing, start by visiting the Fundrise website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. After filling out your details, click Create Account to proceed. Next, you will receive an email verification link. Check your email inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Fundrise website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete your investor profile. Fill out the necessary information, including investment goals and financial situation. Fundrise may ask for your social security number for identity verification. Once your profile is complete, explore the investment options available on the platform. You can browse different investment offerings, including REITs and e-funds. Select an investment that aligns with your financial goals. Review the details of the investment, including potential returns and risks. If you choose to proceed, click the Invest Now button for that specific offering. Decide on the amount you wish to invest and proceed to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment method, linking your bank account if necessary. Fundrise will guide you through the payment process, ensuring security and compliance. After confirming your investment, you will receive a confirmation email. Your investment will begin to grow as Fundrise manages the properties for you. Regularly log into your account to monitor your investments and performance reports. Engage with Fundrise educational resources to enhance your understanding of real estate investing. Stay informed about new investment opportunities and updates through Fundrise communication. By following these steps, you can successfully connect with Fundrise and start your real estate investing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.